Good morning. Well, it seems like the markets are finally catching a breath after 2 days of hectic rallying. You have the Nifty 50 and the Sensex that are more or less treading water and flitting between gains and losses at the moment. But overall, the market breadth doesn't look too bad. Let's first talk about the Nifty 50 and how it's doing right now. It's just about flat, unchanged, about 0.05% in the green right now. The Sensex, meanwhile, is trading just a tad bit in the red. What are the top performers on the Nifty 50? In the top 5, UPL is doing really well, up as much as 3.5%. Shree Cement up 2.2%. Power Grid, Tech Mahindra, Wipro, SBI all doing quite well. Ultratech Cement also up about 1%. Among the losers, you have the likes of Hindustan Unilever, JSW Steel, Kotak Mahindra Bank, M&M, and Tata Motors, which is losing about 4.5%. after posting a surprise loss of over 7,000 crore rupees after market hours yesterday. Remember, it was supposed to post, or it was expected to post, a consolidated profit, but on account of exceptional items, it ended up posting a loss. Operationally, though, it was a strong quarter. Seems like the street isn't too impressed with that, though. If you look at the broader markets, it seems to be a prettier picture there, with the mid cap and the small cap index gaining about a third of a percent as well as 0.7% respectively, and that is reflected in the overall market breadth. You have 1,200 gainers also compared with 540 losers on the broader markets. The sectoral picture looks just a tad bit mixed at the moment. The Nifty Bank is looking just a shade weak in trade today after two stellar days. It's trading in the red with about 0.2%. You have the auto index is looking a little weak, down about 0.6%. Maruti Suzuki also looking a little low in trade today. Tata Motors trading in the red. FMCGs trading flat. You have the IT index, the media index, the pharma index, as well as the realty index that are all doing well in trade today. What are the factors that you have to bear in mind from the flows perspective? Yesterday, you had foreign institutional investors turn net buyers after a gap of as many as 4 sessions. And in fact, on the 17th, you had them selling a large amount of equity, as well as on the 14th, 2,600 and 2,255 crore rupees on a net basis. Yesterday, they bought on a net basis 618 odd crore rupees. So watch out for that data, as well as the minutes of the Fed's last meeting. That could have a bearing on global markets later tonight, and they could have a bearing on our markets incidentally as we start trade tomorrow. But in all likelihood, going to see a choppy trade today. In all probability, you're going to see flitting between gains and losses and treading water today. We'll have to see if there's a breakout on the upside, or whether profit booking kicks in once again.